I'm John Champion, and here alongside me in the commentary box is Jim Beglin.
Hi John, I can tell you, I'm absolutely delighted to be here.
Let's take a look then at the two teams. So Jim, share your thoughts before we kick off.
I'm sure the two sets of players will respond to our expectations, but the key point today may well be taking those chances.
So let's get down to business. Shooting opportunity here. What a reprieve that was.
I think the coach will be really annoyed with that kind of sloppiness to allow a shot like that.
It's clear to safety. It's cleared away. It's an opportunity. He created a great chance there.
I think there's always that danger that the defence can get exploited in that way. That must have served as a real wake-up call to them.
Loses out in a position of some promise. Goes for a long shot. Again, the keeper's up to it.
Yeah, while he won't be happy with some of the defending in front of him, he can hold his head high. That was a fantastic stop.
Fires it from distance. My word, that was travelling.
There wasn't much on for him, so it was worth a shot. It was worth a try for him.
30 minutes on the watch. Wants to get this forward. Oh, he's lost it. He decides to shoot. The whistle signals the end of the first half.
Yeah, so far no goals, but it's a really decent game. The team are actually playing very well. They forced the keeper into making many good saves. I think the goals will come.
Either side conceding a goal then. It is 0-0. Away we go then with the second half.
another time it would have sneaked in. That would encourage another try, look.
Could be a chance now. It's a really good try, but no goal.
Look, I just think he didn't get the connection he was looking for. Nearly perfect technically, but not quite on the mark.
Good footwork, creating the counter-attack. Plays this forward. Oh, he plays it long. The pass needed to be better there. He's got in. Some slick passing on display. What can they make of it? Got the man there, surely. Yep, free kick given. Intercepted.
Listen, when it's congested through the centre of the pitch like that, they'll threaten more from the wider positions.
And he's got quite a shot on him. And that's away to the right of goal.
And when you're in front of goal like that, you really should do better. That's a poor finishing here.
Tried to play it through. It's on for him. No, that wasn't the best of passes. Pass cut out. And the ball is given back to the keeper. Slovakia. Takes a shot.
I think the key for this game now is who can show that extra little bit of composure on the ball. You can't lose it like that.
Going. Booted to safety. Ball that's intercepted. Got it. Shoots. There is the referee's whistle for full time. Both defences have stood tall throughout this game, not allowing themselves to be breached. Both keepers, I imagine, fairly pleased with that. So before we leave the stadium, there's just time for me to say my thanks to Jim for his analysis and to wish you a very good evening.